Meaning of inconstancy.
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 Inconstancy. The term inconstancy refers to the quality or state of being unpredictable, unreliable, or inconsistent. It describes a lack of consistency or stability in behavior or character, particularly in terms of emotions or beliefs. Someone who is described as inconstant may change their opinions frequently or act without regard for their previous commitments or promises. This term is often used in the context of personal relationships, where an inconstant partner may be seen as untrustworthy or difficult to rely on. Overall, inconstancy suggests a lack of dependability or predictability.